everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia. The summer weather has finally arrived, at least in the place that I live. It's been super amazing to see the warmth and the sunshine the summer has for us. And to celebrate summer, I am here to bring another easy DIY, a DIY rainbow popsicle. Wow, how exciting, right? This week, as we are making rainbow popsicles, it is one of the easiest, yummy, tasty, and moreover, a healthy dessert. What I love about this rainbow popsicle is that I have made it with all the yummy tasting, healthy smoothies. So not only they are delicious and refreshing, but also healthy. A lot of flavors, and I'm sure everyone will find something for them. I'm also super excited to call these rainbow popsicles a tie-dye popsicle. These tie-dye popsicles are perfect color treats for the summer. I hope all of you guys will enjoy this video and make your own fresh fruit, colorful popsicles. All you need to do this DIY is a popsicle mold and some fresh fruits. I got my popsicle tray from Amazon, and if you do not have one, do not worry. You can always use these disposable plastic cups. I can show you them here, and you can always use them and any popsicle stick that you get to buy from shop as a replacement. So let's dive into our DIY summer special rainbow popsicle. Mixture into a glass and keep it aside. So here goes our amazing rainbow smoothies. Layering the smoothies in the mold is easy. Use a spoon or a tablespoon to scoop the smoothie mixture into a mold. It's natural for the layers to blend in a bit, but I have noticed that spooning the smoothies into the mold versus pouring the smoothie in from a glass leaves better result. Please watch what I'm going to do next. Now the artist in you is going to awake. You can mix and match any colors into any molds. You can mix and match all the colors into a single mold and make a rainbow. Also, you can go ahead and give different combinations of yellow and purple, magenta and green, orange and yellow, or whatever different shades you prefer to. Ta-da! My super healthy, delicious rainbow popsicles are all set to hit the freezer. To get the rainbow popsicles to release from the mold, fill your kitchen sink with room temperature water, place the mold in water, make sure the water does not go above the top of the mold. Allow the mold to sit in the water for a few seconds, begin to wiggle, and your popsicle is ready. These guys are just amazingly delicious. Do try and let me know your comments and reviews. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and also a like, comment and share. If you're new to my family, please do subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.